Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. A beautiful black EP3 in the house today. It's got some good modification on it, especially exhaust wise, and the customer is demanding Asmo flames, so we're going to make sure we get some. Let's do this.
Well, you guys know most of our sponsors now, but I'm going to go through it again for you. worldoflubricant.co.uk. If you need oil for your motor, if you need oil additives or gearbox oil, go and check out their website, www.worldoflubricant.co.uk. Put in code DYNO at the checkout and save yourself a packet. You'll get loads of oils, additives, etc. Keep a litre in your boot. That's what I suggest. I've got a Honda as well. Thanks for listening.
is a really nice car.
Yeah. A few miles on it, 160,000, but one of the generally don't have mega low miles on these anymore, do they? So
it's gorgeous inside. It's really clean outside.
Yeah, it's a good looking car.
It's got all the right exhaust on it.
Yeah, I think it's got the leaf eater in it, which we don't particularly like for power, do we? But saying that, it's on a stock inlet manifold, so sort of 230 was probably be about all you could expect from it.
We got 225.
Yeah, 225.
That's all right.
I think it's all right. You can see where we flattened off at the top. We've got a flow restriction there at the very, very top. I don't believe the exhaust is a problem one bit. It's just sort of reached peak power and then flattened off from about 7.5 onwards.
Yeah, it's got a Tegiwa 421 and Tegiwa 70mm.
Yeah.
Good combination.
Good combination. So I think where that is a lot of people, like we've obviously talked about, probably sound like a broken record, but a lot of people buy these airboxes second hand, don't even bother opening them up. The filter's probably been in there 10 years, you know what I mean? And to be honest, they are a tiny filter inside as well. So could be one of them, couldn't it? Because just basically want a bit of a service. Personally, I put a better induction kit on it, and I think you'd make a bit more. But obviously, moving forward, you can still buy mods, can't you? Buy even more mods. You can get a, you know, could go Skunk2, throttle body, you know, keep going forward, put cams in, could go, you know.
Sky's the limit, mate.
Sky's the limit.
Talk about boosting it at some point.
Yeah, so that's probably a lot of people, they sort of want to make a decision, don't they, whether they want to go boosted or they want to stay at NA, because obviously it's pointless spending a load of money doing an NA build only then to go boosted. And then
the answer is always more. But if you are thinking of going boosted, then, you know, sort of you can buy 3-inch exhaust systems from the get-go, and they'll do great for NA, and then they'll be able to support you when you've got boost.
Yeah, for sure. What you really don't want to do is go down the NA route and then have to duplicate and buy more stuff afterwards. You know what I mean? Whereas if you sort of spec right from the start, if you're thinking you're going to go boosted, then at least at that point you can, you know, you've got a good exhaust or whatever to move forward with.
Absolutely. Well, we've got more to map, so shall we look at this graph?
Let's have a look at that
Let's
graph.
do it.
Well, say it with me, guys. Red line is as she came in. Blue line is as she leaves. A great big whopping dollop of power in the mid-range. Obviously extended the rev range and lowered the VTEC, and that's going to make for far better drive. We finish on 225, which is 194 at the wheels. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Here's the back of Richard's head.
Thank you.
If you've got an EP3 and you need help with your build, or you need parts, maintenance, servicing, or indeed if you need paintwork, give us a shout. We can do it all at Dynodaze, and we're happy to help. You can reach us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, email. Be old school and pick up the phone. We love to talk to people, and we do have a Honda meet here every last Saturday of the month, so come and say hello, give us a shout, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Will indeed.
We will indeed.